Let's break the silence. Especially in this video, we are going to breaking the silence. Why we are going to do that? Before that, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Priya's English World. I know that you have been waiting for this one video, especially day one video. Yeah, today in this video, we are going to embark our 21 days foundation challenge, especially for beginners. If you are the person who's literally stuck, if you are the person who are in the beginner level, you don't know what to do, how to do, where to start and how to practice, this video and this challenge is absolutely for you. So don't worry about it. Hereafter you are going to see a beautiful replacement, especially you are going to see the improvement in the way you speak. And in this video we are going to break the ice. What is meant by break the ice? Actually it is an idiom. It is an idiom, it is a beautiful idiom which means we have to break the silence. For example, imagine you are in an interview room. So, the interviewer, what should they ask? The first question would be like this: self introduction. Could you please introduce yourself? So, why they are asking the question to you? Because that question which feels you and which makes you even more comfortable. So that's why they are asking a comfortable question to you. So they are breaking the ice, which means breaking the silence. So as usual in this video itself, we are going to break the ice. And before that, my 21 days ultimate goal. Why am I taking this challenge? My ultimate motive for this challenge is not only to get a lot of views, especially I really want to help out people. So that's why I've just taken this challenge not for myself. Actually I already taken a 21 days challenge. If you want to check that, especially my previous video, you go and check it. I have already a separate playlist for 21 days. I took the challenge to improve my English when I was a beginner, and right now I'm just taking this challenge especially for people who are beginners who wants to improve their English, because nowadays people are literally facing lot of insecurities within themselves. They do not have confidence, so that's the main reason they could not speak up. And before that, actually I have a throat infection guys, which means cold throat, so just bear with me. So that's why for past few days I did not upload any videos on my channel. Just bear with me. In case if you heard any background noises, just ignore it, because I'm just shooting this video in a outdoor, so that's why you will face some kind of disturbance, noise and some vehicle and animal sounds, birds chirping sounds also. Bird chirping sound also, because it's a beautiful evening, it's a time for sunset, so that's why you will heard a lot of sounds. And now let's come to a beautiful point, which is breaking ice. So today in this video we are going to break the silence. So that's why I really want to know about you, because you people are watching me from various states, various places. I do not know about you, right? First of all, if I want to travel with you for next 21 days, I really want to know about you. Unless and until I do not get the curiosity to move forward in our challenge, right? And before that, this challenge is not only like some other challenges. Many challenges are available in YouTube, but this challenge is something special. Throughout this challenge, I am going to guide you, and you are going to practice, improve your English with me. I'm going to act as your guiding partner, not only as your YouTuber. You are just seeing me as a YouTuber, one of the YouTubers who is making spoken English content videos. But apart from that, I really want to be a mentor, like a guiding partner. So what we are going to do? So in this video, I'm going to give the task at last of the video. You have to watch the video for till the end, not only this video. Hereafter you have to watch every video completely, and you will get lot of information in that itself. So what am I going to do? I am going to guide you through my WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel. I think many people are using WhatsApp easily, right? That is the easily accessible application for everyone. So that's why I'm going to guide you through that application each and every single day. I'm going to guide you. What am I going to do? I don't know. In case if you want to know about that, join my WhatsApp group and take this challenge with me. Especially this challenge is absolutely for you. I want to help you to be fluent in English. First of all, you have to break your silence. So the first task for you, especially in this day one task, is all about self introduction. So before that, if you are the person, I think many people are new to my channel. They have subscribed my channel recently. So for you especially, I really want to introduce myself in a short and crispy way. As you already know my name, I'm Priya. I'm from Tamil Nadu, exactly in a small village. That village is exactly located nearby a town named called Arakonam. And I'm a student, and I'm just doing my masters in English literature at Tiruvallur University. And you know that I run a YouTube channel where I can post spoken English related content videos and conversation videos, solo videos. Everything is regarding spoken English, communication, and personality development. My hobbies are reading books, and I just immerse myself in English. And I'm just focusing on the 4 aspects of learning a language, LSRW. So these are the things that I'm just following in my free times. If I talk about my passion, I would like to become a communication trainer and orator. And when it comes to my professional way, I would like to become an English lecturer. Once I completed my MA, immediately I'm going to do my PhD. So that is all about me. If you have any further more question, definitely I would love to answer. So this is my demo, guys. So I've completed this task. I just given a demo for you. And one more thing I would like to tell, especially if you want to introduce yourself, first you have to introduce your name. Say your name and where are you from, your place and your qualification, currently what you are doing. In case if you are a student, you have to mention that. Otherwise, if you are a working professional or homemaker, you have to mention that. After that, you can mention your passion or dream, desire, your strength, and finally you can end it with your hobbies, and concluding session will be a thanking session. You have to say thank you. But when it comes to the part of your initial stage, you have to start your introduction with greetings like good morning, good afternoon, these kind of things. So it's necessary because that sounds be professional, more professional, especially for you. And this is all about your challenge for today. I already mentioned you in my previous video, the best comment should be pinned for next 21 days, and that pinned person will get a wonderful opportunity, which means one-to-one session for one day. Okay, like 15 to 30 minutes, I'm going to guide them. They'll get the wonderful opportunity to connect with me. And one more thing, when I uploaded the video name called Day 0 21 Days Challenge, and I already pinned a best comment, that video comment session itself. So if you're the person, just check it out. If you are the person who are watching my video, just ping me on WhatsApp and I will arrange you one-to-one session. I'm just giving this opportunity for pinned comment. So your comment will be impact me and for others as well. So then only I'll just pin the comment. If you put some effort, if you have the power of words, it impact others and me, definitely you to get wonderful opportunity. Guys, actually I have a sore throat, so that's why I could not speak up very loud. So I'm just maintaining a slow mode. So I hope that you'll able to understand it. So that's it all about this video. I'll come up with day 2 video very soon. Till then, you take care and just join in my WhatsApp group. I'm going to guide you there itself. Bye bye. Take care. See you.